So let's make digital marketing easy for small businesses by writing down some steps that you can do. I've written down. I'll just explain it in detail. So let's begin after this intro. So digital marketing strategies or digital marketing steps that small scale businesses can do, or actions that small scale businesses can do to do digital marketing. So let's begin. The first thing that I've written it down, so I'm more looking at over there. So the first thing that you need as a small scale business, as anything to start digital marketing, is content. And what kind of content would you need as a small scale business? What kind of content can you post as a small scale business? So you can create content that informs your buyers about the product and good and bad quality of the product, and what features of the product, information type, education type, that educates your customers that which product should they go for, why your product should they go for, can be a point, but that's like advertising, which doesn't works that much until and unless you are a good brand, big brand. So educational content. And one more thing that specifically works in digital marketing is solving problems. See, some customers have just they have some doubts to begin with the process of buying. Like when I didn't knew anything about, like, say, mobile. I didn't know anything about mobile, and I am cell phones, that is mobile. So when I decided to buy Motorola G5s Plus, I have a Motorola G5s Plus, not sponsored. So the Amazon, from where I bought this thing, had content written about, like, I had a problem about like battery life, and this thing has a good battery life. So the earlier phone I used to have was having battery problems. So I decided to buy this because it solved my problem. It informed me about this particular model, and that's how that content helped. Second thing is, what after you create content, what you need to do is you need to optimize it to be found. There are some other ways you can make it there are other ways where you can make it found on different for different people, but let's first you need to optimize it with the keywords and all that, those are things, because search results will show depending on if you want to go for free. If you want to go for free, you need to invest in SEO. You need to invest in SEO if you want to go for free. What else you can do for free is you can go on social media and start sharing that content. That can also help you in one more way, is getting in personal touch with the prospect client or prospect customers or prospect people who you think can have some connections that can bring you sale, right? So that is one thing. Another thing you can do is paid traffic. What you call it, paid traffic is when you run a Facebook ad or a Google ad or Instagram ad. Pinterest also has ads, rich pins. So if you run paid ads on these platforms to get traffic to your content, now that content can be on your website, which is more better than anything else, because you have control over the content on your website, and how it looks and what it wants to say. But even if you don't have a website, you can have like, if you are running a business via online part of your business via say Instagram. So if you are running your small businesses online via Instagram, you can lead people from different place to your Instagram profile, right? And then you can they can consume your content and get their problem solved, and they can further make decisions to buy from you. One more thing you can do is email marketing. So basically in 2020, if you think about email marketing, as it is like you are way too old to do that thing, it's not working anymore. Yes, it's not working anymore for sales, but it could work for you if you are just trying to educate them more via emails. I personally think that, because most of the things that I have bought after like some of the subscriptions that I have bought, like Grammarly, I have bought a subscription for, what do you call it, Tailwind app that optimizes things for Pinterest. Pinterest and Instagram, but I'm looking for Pinterest only. So I went for those things subscription because they had so many emails that were educating me about how that platform is helpful, right? So you need to consider that, you need to understand that email marketing is not for sales. Email marketing is for educating more and getting them down the funnel of marketing, getting the prospect client down the funnel of marketing, and making them buy from you at the end, on not on email most of the time, when on your site. And you can obviously send offer emails on that thing that can help them take that quick decision. Specifically, that is called ask sale. The last point I've written is ask for sale. You do all these things first: get them, inform them, educate them, solve their problems, reach out to them via paid ads if you want, reach out to them via social media, get personal with them, not too personal with them, but personal with them as a business. And then after that, after some emails, you can like go in and ask for sale. You can shoot out an email for like say 30% off offer, or Cyber Monday, like it is coming, so that into my mind, Cyber Monday or Black Friday. These kind of offers you can send on email after educating me. Just don't like send email to buy again and again. That will go into spams, and then you will lose about that. You can also ask for sale on Instagram directly in DM if you are not that much into email marketing. But obviously, digital marketing is not just the social media part. That is one point I wanted to make over here with that email marketing thing I have written. That social media marketing is just a small part of digital marketing. So when you look at digital marketing, make sure you understand the point that you just don't have to concentrate on social media only. Social media is just a part of it, where you can get connect with people and like on the better personal level. And you can also have that data if you're on Instagram and all. You can also capture their data. So with that, how things you can do as a small scale businesses when you want to start digital marketing. If you want to know why digital marketing is beneficial for small scale business, what it can do for small scale businesses, so check out my earlier video. It's about benefits of digital marketing, or why digital marketing for small businesses over traditional marketing, or along with traditional marketing. It can go along with traditional marketing as well. So with that said, let's end this video over here. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.